How's this for a motorcycle, eh? This is made by Honda. It's called the Moto Compo. And it's got carrying handles, so you can pick it up and carry it into your house. There you go. And how does it set up? And it's done. You can start it? Thank you. Yeah, so evidently this thing is like 20 years old. I thought it was actually new. I thought it was some kind of like new save the planet economical, thing. But it's actually an antique. It's got a speed gauge here, top speed of 30 kilometers an hour. I asked the guy why, and he said it was a law at the time, 20 years ago. It wasn't allowed to, it's a 50cc engine, two-stroke, so I'm guessing it can surpass, it could probably be tweaked to go 60 or 70 even. But yeah, it's limited at 30. And here's a fuel gauge down here. Okay, some lights reflecting. There we go. Anyway, it says a fuel gauge. So you got a speed gauge, fuel gauge, you got an oil light, and that's it. Horn. Headlight. Cool. Hey guys, I'm here at the rest stop, and I met some cool people. Who are you?
What's up? I'm Gabriel from Romania. David from Spain.
I'm Ricardo from Italy.
Daniela from Mexico.
Dario from Germany.
So cool. It's all multicultural, eh?